Hey, what's up guys? Big B Sats here at 360 Trick Spot, here to bring you Adobe After Effects CS4 tutorial on how to make a quick box intro. Right now I'll just be showing you how to create the box. This is part 1 and part 2 will be uploaded very shortly. So this is what we have so far and I'll be showing you how to create. I see a lot of people use this and I've been getting a lot of questions on how to do so, so let's get right into it. I'm going to go to File, create a new project. Now I'm going to go to create a new composition. Now I'm going to go to layer and create a new solid. Now pick your rectangle tool up here and now you want to draw a nice square or however shape you want your box to be. So you want to click and hold shift to make it look pretty straight like that. Now you can also go down here and hit title action saved if you want to adjust however you may want it to look in the center. So I'll leave it just like that. Not going to make it perfect right now. Now you want to go to layer again and create a new solid. Now you just want to drag the one you just created under the one before. Let me cut this off. So that's what we have so far. Now go to Effect, Generate, Stroke, and we're going to put the brush size on 3.5. So now we're going to put the paint style on transparent, and let's go over here to the timeline and we're going to move over to about 1 second and click the stopwatch on end and make it 0. Then we're going to move forward to about 3 seconds, or let's say 3.5, and we're going to put the end on 100. So let me show you what I just created right now that you guys can do on your own time, and it shouldn't take nothing but this long to do, which is very short. So let's see what we have so far. And there you have it. There's your box. And on the next video, I'll be showing you how to insert text in it and do a couple tricks with it. So hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And until the next video, peace out.